Get in the huddle. Get over here and get in the huddle. Oh, goodness. That's better. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at the little duckies. They're Taki Campbell. Straight runs.
Khaki Campbell, yeah.
Type of ducks there. And they're supposed to be assorted, but they look the same as them.
Yeah, they do. Aww.
They're really pretty. That is awesome. Boy, they ran out of them. Oh, wait a minute. These chickens are pretty.